If x into the matrix 2 3 plus y into the matrix minus 1 1 equal to 10 5, then find the values of x and y. Here it's given that x into the matrix 2 3 plus y into the matrix minus 1 1 equal to 10 5. Now multiply the scalar x with all the elements of this matrix. 2x 3x plus multiply y with all the elements of this matrix. So we get minus y equal to 10 5. Now you have to add these two matrices. Then we get 2x minus y, 3x plus y equal to 10 5. Now take 2x minus y equal to 10. Since these two matrices are equal, now we have to take the corresponding elements are equal. 2x minus y equal to 10 and 3x plus y equal to 5. 3x plus y equal to 5. Now by solving these two, we have to get the values of x and y. So by adding these two, we get 5x equal to 15. It implies x equal to 3. 2x minus y equal to 10. 2 into x equal to 3 minus y equal to 10. 6 minus 10 equal to y. It implies y equal to, we are having minus 4. Next one. 12th problem. Given 3 into xy zw plus x in x 6 minus 1 2w plus the matrix 4 x plus y z plus w 3. Now here we have to find the values of x, y, z and w. So first we have to multiply 3 with all the elements of this matrix. So it implies 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w equal to, now here we have to add these two matrices. By adding those two, we get x plus 4, 6 plus x plus y, minus 1 plus z plus w. Next 2w plus 3. It implies, now here these two matrices are equal. When do you say that the two matrices are said to be equal? If the corresponding elements are equal, then we say that those two matrices are equal. Since it is given these two matrices are equal, we have to take the corresponding elements are equal. It implies take 3x equal to x plus 4, 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y, 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w, 3w equal to 2w plus 3. Now here from this you write plus x from RHS to LHS. It implies we get 3x minus x equal to 4. It implies 2x equal to 4. Therefore x equal to, here we are getting 2. Now put x equal to 2 in this equation. 3y equal to 6 plus 2 plus y. Now write plus y from RHS to LHS. 3y minus y equal to 8. 2y equal to 8. It implies y equal to 4. Here 3w equal to 2w plus 3. Write 2w from RHS to LHS. 3w minus 2w equal to 3. It implies we have w equal to 3. Now put w equal to 3 here. We get the value of z. So it implies we get 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w equal to, we are getting 3 here. So 3z, right, plus z from RHS to LHS, 3z minus z equal to, we are having 2. So it implies 2z equal to 2, z equal to 1. Therefore, the value of x equal to 2, y equal to 4, z equal to 1 and w equal to 3. If f of x equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, show that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. Here, take LHS equal to f of x into f of y. Here f of x means cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1 into here f of y equal to cos y. In the place of x we should write y here. So cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now here we have to multiply these two matrices now. So while multiplying we have to take first row and first column. Cos x into cos y, which is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y plus 0 into 0. Now we have to multiply R1 with C2. Cos x into minus sin y. So minus cos x into sin y minus sin x into cos y minus sin x into cos y plus 0 into 0. Cos x into 0, 0 minus sin x into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 1. Next, multiply second row with the first column. Sin x into cos y, sin x into cos y, cos x into sin y plus cos x into sin y plus 0. Next, second row with the second column. Minus sin x into sin y plus cos x into cos y 0 into 0, 0. Next, sin x into 0, 0. Cos x into 0, 0 plus 0. Next, we have to multiply third row with the first column. 0 into cos y. So we have to take it as 0. 0 into sin y plus 0. 1 into 0, 0. Next, 0 into minus sin y, 0. Plus 0 into cos y, 0. Plus 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. Plus 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. This is the matrix we are getting. Now, we get which is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Minus you take common, minus of sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Next 1. Now, sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y 0, sorry, it is 0. See, 0 into 1, 0. Next, 0, 0, 1. Now here, it is in the form of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We know that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is always equal to cos of A plus B. So it implies we are getting this is equal to cos of x plus y. Now, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, which is in the form of sin of A plus B. So sin of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equal to sin of A plus B sin of x plus y cos A cos B minus sin A sin B equal to, it is in the form of cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. Then which will be equal to f of x plus y. So that here we are getting f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. Hence proved. If A equal to the matrix 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and I equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, find the value of k so that A square equal to k into A minus 2 into I. Solution. First we have to find A square. A square means we know that A into A. So A square equal to, we have to take it as A into A. Here the matrix A equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. First multiply first row with first column. It implies it's equal to 3 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4, 3 into minus 2. First row with the second column we have to multiply. Corresponding element of 3 is minus 2. 3 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2. 4 into, now second row with the first column, 4 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4, 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2. It implies it's equal to, here we are getting 9 minus 8, 1, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, 12 minus 8, 4, minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. So here we are getting the matrix A square equal to 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. Now we have to find RHS now. RHS equal to, here we have k into A minus 2 into I. K into the matrix A equal to, here we are having 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 into 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to, multiply k with all the elements of this matrix, 3k minus 2k, 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k, minus 2, 0, 0, 2. It implies it's equal to, we are getting now 3k minus 2, minus 2k, 4k, minus 2k, minus 2. Now, it is given that A square equal to k into A minus 2 into identity matrix. So A square equal to, here we have to take 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 equal to 3k minus 2 minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2. Now here it is given that these two matrices are equal. When two matrices are equal, then we say that the corresponding elements are also equal. So here we have to take 1 equal to 3k minus 2. It implies 1 plus 2 equal to 3k. 3k equal to 3. K equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. Therefore, the value of k equal to, here we are getting 1. If A equal to the matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0, and I is the identity matrix of order 2, then show that I plus A equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now take LHS. First, given matrix A equal to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0. Let tan alpha by 2 equal to t. Then it implies the matrix A equal to, here we are getting 0 minus t, 0. Now take LHS. LHS equal to I plus A. We know that the matrix I equal to 1 0 0 1 plus the matrix A equal to 0 minus t 0. So that it's equal to, we are getting 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 0 plus minus t equal to minus t, 0 plus t, 1 plus 0, 1. So now LHS equal to, I am getting 1 minus t, 1. Now we have to find RHS. If LHS and RHS are equal, then the given problem is over. Now in RHS we have I minus A. First let me find I minus A in RHS. I minus A equal to I equal to 1 0 0 1 minus A equal to 0 minus t 0. So it implies 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 0 minus of minus t 0 minus t, so minus t. Now 1 minus 0, 1. This is the matrix we are getting. Now cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. We know that cos alpha in terms of tan alpha by 2. The formula is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 whole by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 minus sin alpha. Sin alpha equal to formula 2 tan alpha by 2 minus 2 tan alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now sin alpha equal to 2 tan alpha by 2 whole by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Cos alpha equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 whole by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now here we have taken tan alpha by 2 equal to t. Now put tan alpha by 2 equal to t here. So it implies it's equal to, we are having 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square, 2t by 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now RHS equal to, we have I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. It implies we have I minus A equal to 1 t minus t 1. So take it as 1 t minus t 1 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square, 2t by 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square equal to, now here we have to multiply these two matrices. So while multiplying, we have to take first row and first column. So it implies 1 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus t into 2t by 1 plus t square. Now first row with the second column. First row with the second column, it implies minus 2t by 1 plus t square plus t into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Next, second row with the first column, minus t into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 1 into 2t by 1 plus t square minus t into 2t by 2t square by 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square whole by 1 plus t square. So it implies, if we simplify, we get here 1 plus t square LCM, 1 minus t square plus 2t square. Here 1 plus t square LCM, then minus 2t, t minus plus t minus t cube. Here 1 plus t square LCM minus t plus t cube plus 2t, 1 plus t square LCM, then 2t square plus 1 minus t square. Now after simplification, we get this one equal to 1, and if you simplify this, minus t 1. Therefore now here we say that LHS equal to RHS. Hence proof. Assume X, Y, Z, W and P are matrices of the order 2 by n, 3 by k, 2 by p, n by 3 and p by k respectively. Choose the correct answer. The restriction on n, k and p, so that py plus wy will be defined are. Here py plus wy, the order of p equal to, here we have p by k, and the order of y equal to, we have 3 by k. Then the order of pyb, p by k, when k equal to 3. These two must be same. When you multiply the two matrices P and Y, the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So K should be equal to 3. When K equal to 3, we get the order of Py equal to P by K. Now, it is given that the order of W equal to n by 3. Now, order of y equal to 3 by k. Now, the order of wy equal to, when you multiply these two matrices, we get the order of wy equal to n by k. Now here we have to find the sum of py plus wy. The order of this one equal to, here we have, when k equal to 3, the order of this one p by 3. The order of py is, we are having p by 3, and the order of wy is, we are having n by k. Now already we are having k equal to 3 here. So whenever you want to find the sum of two matrices, we have to get the orders must be same, so that P should be equal to N. Here P equal to N and K equal to 3. It implies first one is the correct answer. Now, if N equal to P, then the order of the matrix 7x minus 5z is 7x minus 5z. Now, the order of the matrix x equal to, here we are having P by K. The order of the matrix z equal to, the order of the matrix x equal to, the order of the matrix x equal to 2 by n. The order of the matrix z equal to 2 by p. 2 by p. Now, if you want to subtract 5z from 7x, the orders must be same. The orders must be same here. Also, it is given that n equal to p. Now, here you take, this is 2 by n, take p equal to n, 2 by n minus 2 by n. Since orders are same, we can take the order of this matrix 7x minus 5z is 2 by n. Option B is the correct answer.